You will learn how to send Word documents from your iPhone to Kalinos. Let's just get right into it. First is to tap on your Safari web browser, which comes pre-installed on every iPhone. Alright, once the Safari web browser opens, tap inside this search area, which is at the bottom part, and then type iCloud.com. Okay, press the enter key of the keyboard. This will take you to iCloud page. All right, if you're accessing that for the first time, please sign in with your iCloud email address and the password. You'll be taken to this place. Okay, now let's start the sending of the document. Okay, then I want us to upload the Word document to this iCloud. All right, so we have some major folders here. We have mail, we have photos, we have drive, we have notes, we have invites, find my. Okay, these are major folders on this iCloud. You're going to see that from your end. So tap on drive. All right, this will open a page. If there are some files you previously uploaded on this iCloud, you will see them here. Okay, but here I want to upload a new Word document file on this iCloud. For you to do that, tap on the upload icon, which is at the top center. All right, then you're provided with some options. You have photo library, you have take a photo or video, and you have choose files. Select choose files. Now tap on the browse apps option, which is at the bottom. Then I'm landed on my iPhone location. Okay, so I'm landed on my iPhone location. You can see that at the top part. So get to the Word document file you want to send to Linux. All right, if you can't find that, you can use the short let's say shortcut by tapping inside this search section and then type docs. Okay, so let's use doc. All right, or x. You can add x to it depending on the format of the Word document file. Okay, so now this will filter down every file that is document in this case. So let me go with access ch2 in this case because that is existing document file on this my iPhone. So I will tap on that. After the Word document file is selected, tap on the open button, which is at the top right. So within a short time, this access ch2 Word document file has now been uploaded on this my iCloud account. Okay, so let me refresh for us to see it again. All right, you can see it here, access ch2. Now let's get to our Kali Linux machine to see how we are going to access this file from our Kali Linux and download it into the PC. All right, I am on my Kali Linux machine. So the next step you need to take here is to click on the default web browser, and in this case, it's Firefox. Once the browser opens, click in on this section, this address bar section, type iCloud.com. After that, press the enter key of your computer keyboard. All right, you'll be taken to this iCloud page. Okay, if you're accessing it for the first time, you need to sign in with your iCloud email address, see mine here, and the iCloud password. Okay, once you sign in successfully, you find yourself on this interface. Okay, but before then, before you sign in successfully, if you're doing that for the first time, it may prompt you as you're doing this. You may be prompted on your iPhone to confirm that you are the one trying to sign in. Please do that. Okay, so once you find yourself here, scroll down until you get to this category section. Okay, the next thing you need to take is to click on drive, which was where we uploaded the document file. Okay, the drive section folder has opened. If you can remember, we named that file access ch2. All right, the Word document file we uploaded, okay, on the cloud from our iPhone. We named it as access ch2. That's the name. So click on the file once for it to be selected. Once it's selected, click on this download icon. Okay, this file is now downloaded into your Kali Linux machine and you can make use of it. For us to verify that, click on this icon here. Okay, that's Kali Home. Then select Open Folder. Then by default, this should be in the Downloads folder. So click on Downloads and look at the file here. If this content helps, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, okay? IT. So subscribe to grow in that knowledge, all right? Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button if it helps. Thank you and see you some other time.